Okay, so just as promised, it's taken me about an hour. I've been attaching the fencing onto the post. I'm finding this a lot easier than the stock fencing. It's a lot easier to get it flush to the bottom and staple it in right at the bottom. Kate did give me washers and screws to use, but I don't think that they'd really work with this, particularly under strain from animals rubbing up against the fence and testing the fence. So I've gone for staples. They're an inch long, galvanised steel, and we've used tree stakes here. So they're probably in to the ground about 1.5 feet. These were quite tall stakes, so they're more than adequate. So I'm just going to go along as carefully as I can. I've already fallen down this hill already today, so here we go. And then I had to put in a gap because we've got a gate that needs to go in here. So I've wound it around. It's nice and solid, and we're almost down to there. You can just see the edge of the second rung. So I'm going to go and get the third rung. I'm going to lay it out and I'll see if it stretches right to the end. If it doesn't, then what I'm going to do is put an extra post in and use the very end of that last piece, and we'll just have to have 3 posts very close together. But in terms of short notice, I can't really be too perfectionist about it at the moment. It just needs to be practical. So there we have it.